Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm here with my next video on DIY paper flower vase. Okay, so to make paper flower vase, you need all these things including some sheets, scissor and ribbon. So first of all, we are going to start with making vase. For that, you need one A4 size sheet and fold it in half and keep on doing just like I am showing in the video. Fold it till you get 7 lines as you can see. Now take one corner of sheet and fold it till first line. Similarly fold it till third line and then fifth and then seventh one. Do this exactly same from rest 3 corners and after that you will get something like this. Now paste both the ends with each other either with double tape or Fevicol. And then you will get cylindrical vase ready, just like this. Now we need to make stand for the vase, and for that you need rectangular cut thermocol and one printed sheet. Cover your thermocol with printed sheet. Now it's time to make some flowers for our vase. For the first flower you need one sheet or you can use glaze paper to make stem. I am doing this with quilling pen, but you can do it either with your hands or pencil in whichever way you are comfortable. Now paste the ends and your stem is ready. After that you need to make flower. For that take a sheet of sizes mentioned in the video and then fold it from one end to another. Then make a line with pencil and start cutting into layers up till the line is drawn. And after that, open it once and then paste their ends. Then take stem and put some Fevicol on it and start pasting your flower. Now it's time to make leaves. Do it like it is shown in the video and then paste it and your first flower is ready. Now let's try another flower. For flower, take a sheet and start cutting it like the similar way before and then start rolling it. Stem and leaves are same as I have shown you previously. Paste it in the similar way as it was done in first flower. Now your second flower is ready. Now let's try to make rose flower. For that you need 4 square sheets of same size. Start making subsequent folds just like I am showing. Do it for all the 4 sheets. After all the folds done, draw a circular arc with the pencil and cut that portion. Also don't forget to cut the bottom corner as well. When you open it, you will get something like this and cut one petal from it. Then open second one and cut 2 petals from it. Similarly, open third and fourth one and cut 3 and 4 petals respectively. Nothing is waste in this. Everything will be used to make rose. Now we get 8 flower petals. Now start pasting both ends of 8 flower petals with each other. Now pick the biggest petal according to their sizes and paste one over the other just like I am doing. And see, your rose is ready. Now paste it with the stem. And yeah, don't forget to paste leaves. Our flowers are ready to put it into the vase. After that, we will paste our vase with its stand. Here I am using ribbon and some stickers to decorate the vase. And here is the final look of our paper flower vase. I hope you like this DIY. If you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. And if you missed my first video on DIY mini diary, then click on the link in the description box. Go and watch it right now. We'll come with my next video very soon. Till then, bye, take care.